how to play Monopoly Go for beginners. So hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. So first of all, you will need to download this game from Play Store or App Store, and after that just open this game, and now you will be provided with the options to play it as a guest or connect it with your Facebook in order to play with your Facebook friends. Though even if you start playing as a guest, you would still be able to log in as or connect with your Facebook later on. So once you log into this game, and this is how it will look. Now you will first have to select a token in order to play this game, and I have chosen the ship. You can choose either a hat or car. Tokens are shown in your profile over here. More tokens will be coming soon. That's what this page is saying. So let's get back, and if you want to connect with your friends or Facebook, in case if you don't like playing alone and playing as a guest, then you can simply go to your profile by clicking on the three lines on top right hand side corner, and at the bottom you will see the option of connect. Just click on connect and you will get 25 additional bonus points or the dice rolls if you connect with your Facebook. And if you want to purchase anything, then there's the shop over here. You can go down in this shop and purchase the stuff that you want. And in order to get back, just click on cross. Get to the settings again. If you want to check your net worth, you can check it up over here. Check the map. The way we will be moving forward. Currently, when you start the game, you are in New York City. But as you move forward, you will be able to get into different places. So this is how it will look like. And at the top left hand side corner, you will see your level. Here you will be able to unlock different stuff like auto rolls, bank heist, properties, and different other stuff. And right beside it, you will see the money that you have earned till now. And right beside it, you will see the shield. This shield will block other people from attacking your landmarks. Landmarks are stuff I will be talking about later in this video. So how you earn the shield? When you click on go, you roll the dice, and when your token lands on this particular shield, it is at a different places on this board. So when your token lands on this particular shield, you will earn a shield. So I have earned more than 3 shields already, so that's why I have 3 shields, and it will block other people from attacking my landmarks. And how do one attack your landmark? So even you can attack other people's landmark by going on to this option of railroad. It is there on different sides of the board. You can just simply land on these railroads and you would get the chance to attack people's landmark. And if you notice, I have house over here. If I get 5 house at one place, I will be able to convert these houses into hotels. And how do we get a house? We need to build a landmark for that. And for that, just click on build at the bottom of the screen. Now choose any landmark that you want to build. Suppose I want to build this one, so I will just select it. And this way I would be able to get one house. If I click again to build this one, as soon as the landmark is complete, I will get a house. Let's get back and see. The houses has been placed on the board, the houses that I earned. Now let's see how we can roll the dice. So for that, just click on go and the dice will roll. And this is how easy it is. In order to check your friends, you can just simply click on friends. And over here, if you want to add friends from your contact, Facebook, or if you want to invite someone using link, then just select it up accordingly. In the leaderboards, you will be able to see all your connected friends and all the people from your local area and also the people from global. So this is how you play Monopoly Go, and it was a beginners friendly tutorial. And if you want more of such tutorials, you can simply comment down below and we will be happy to help you out. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.